Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, this is the August smart door lock right here. And I'm gonna show you how to open and close this guy. Look, if you push right here, you can get to the batteries. Bonk. And this takes 4 AA batteries. It goes through the batteries pretty quickly. The second battery, it's a little bit tricky. If you look in here, you'll see there's a little piece of red cloth right here. And there's also some over here on this side over here. And what that's for is you pull on that cloth to help you pull out that battery. So I'll reach in. Oops, it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. And then I'll pull on that cloth, and then that helps you get it out. So also when you put the new batteries in, make sure, right, you want that cloth to be tucked in behind that battery. So we'll kind of go like this and put it in just like that. There you go right there. And you just pop them in, all 4 of them sort of facing in the upward direction. And that green light lets you know that the batteries are in correctly and it's charged up, ready to go. And then this guy just pops on just like that, little magnets that hold it in. Hey guys, I hope this helped you out. By the way, I have some other videos. I'm gonna show you how to change out the batteries on the keypad if you have this guy right here. And also I have another video where I do a review, so if you are wondering if you're gonna get this or not, that's a good one right there. And I also have another video that I'm gonna do on the Wi-Fi system so that you can open and close your front door from anywhere in the world as long as your smartphone is working. All right guys, hey, I hope you appreciated this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and you'll see under the playlist, under the August smart door lock, that I have several videos, do some reviews on these as well. All right guys, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.